Hi there. You have to stay tuned in today because I'm about to show you what I did a month ago. Just one of those crazy ideas of mine, and I threw some stuff together and I made my rock garden. I hope you will enjoy it, love it, and create something of your own in your own space. There you go. I'll put some succulents and a few cacti with the hope that they will keep Hunter and Coco away from the spot. I can't promise that they won't come and dig it up, but hey, makes me happy. Coco, no, you didn't show up. Just keep replacing with the good compost. This is a very stubborn grass, and as soon as it gets into your plant, you would need lots of plant A, B to Z to try and get rid of it. It spreads its root very fast and deep. That's good. Super duper. I could have made a split anyway. Just split this into individual plants and then just stick them in. But I thought this was magical. This was magical, just watching how the whole wok looking like mold fit perfectly into this space. You can't take that away from any gardener. Wow. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Clearly it did warm my heart and my spirit. Just knowing that the rocks and the boulders that are just out there lying around, you can put them together and they create something beautiful. Not just for you, but even for the space and the people that will be seeing and coming to check on you. I love it. I love it. Enjoy yourself.